Hello everybody, Matt Stewart here from Entrepreneur Me. Good morning. I hope you're going to have a great day today. But I wanted to introduce you, my Dundee friends, I wanted to introduce you to an opportunity of a lifetime. Now, have you heard that before? An opportunity of a lifetime. But on Wednesday, the 11th of June, I am going to be delivering my Step Up with Enterprise programme in Dundee in partnership with DYW Tay Cities, and I'm going to be at Baldragon Academy, and we are going to have an absolute blast. We've got about 180 young people coming along, which is a combination of young people who are stepping up into S1 along with senior school pupils. And the young people are going to work in a group of 8 and they're going to start a business. I'm going to give them a little bit of money, like a loan, just to start their company. They're going to learn all about the world of jobs. They're going to learn about, they're going to match their skills, apply for a job, be interviewed, take on a role within their company. And then I'm going to give them a loan of £25. They're going to start their company. They're going to buy materials. They're going to make products. They're going to trade. They're going to endeavour to sell them. We're going to have a business bank. We've got a supply store. We've got a meet the buyers area. We're going to have tax collectors. We're going to have heads of productivity. But if you're a connection of mine and you're in Dundee and maybe you've heard a bit about this Step Up with Enterprise and you're thinking, I'd love to come along. Well, I would very much like to invite you. Leslie English, who is the programme lead for developing the young workforce, is really keen to involve the local business community in supporting and encouraging young people. And this is your chance to do it. Why don't you come along on the 11th of June, Baldragon Academy? It's a full day workshop. You could be a business buyer, you could be a tax collector, you could work in the supply store, or you could do one of a lot of different jobs that I've got up my sleeve for you. But can I tell you, it is going to be such fun, such a positive day. There's going to be a real buzz in the room. The young people are going to be entrepreneurs and they're going to be busy and there's going to be lots of challenges. But we need you. We need you. Wouldn't it be great for you to come along? Maybe you could come for half a day. Maybe you could come for the whole day, maybe, between 10:30 and 3:30 and lunch would be supplied. And I promise you, you will have an absolute blast. Some of the young people have described this day as the best day they've ever had. And some of our business partners, many of them have said to me, Matt, it's just a joy to see the young people busy, enterprising, having ideas, being creative, pitching their products, running their company, going bust and having to overcome the challenge of that. So I would love you to come along. Now, I'm going to tag in this post the Developing Young Workforce Coordinator, Casey. And if you wanted to come along, get in touch with me, get in touch with Casey, and we'll give you the full details. But I must tell you again, if you don't mind, please come. It's completely brilliant. You'll have a great day. And you'll be supporting young people, you'll be helping them become entrepreneurs, and you'll be helping them with their transition to step up to high school with Enterprise. I hope I can see you.